Alright, so we continue with the next video tutorial, how to make blogs. In this case, we have learned in the previous section how to make this simple post. Alright, the text and the image and the link. Okay. Now we're going to go to something more difficult. Okay, which is how to insert a video. Right. Okay, so we're going to go to the most useful place to find videos, which is YouTube. All right, so we go, for example, to one of the video in YouTube. For example, this one, Spanish job shadowers, for instance. Okay, and what we're going to do, this is a normal YouTube page. What we're going to do is to insert this this video in my blog. Right? How do we do it? Okay, we go to the blog. All right, this is the video, this is the normal vision. Okay, and if we come here, we can see this share. Okay, compartir in Spanish, of course. And if we click in compartir, automatically what we have is a link. But that's not what I want to insert it in a blog. All right. What I want is to insert it as if it was a screen, okay? So I have to click in insertar, okay? I click here, and as you can see here, there is a computer code, all right? It usually starts, I'm going to just see the complete one. It always starts with iframe, okay? This symbol an iframe, and it ends in iframe 2. Right, so this is a computer language. The only thing that we have to do is to copy it. Okay, we just copy it, right, and we go to our blog. Okay, remember that this is the front part, but we have to go to the back part. Okay, we click in design, we click in new post. All right, and here, as you remember, this is the compose, the normal one. But as we are using computer language, we have to do it with HTML. All right. So, for instance, we can type a title, video, for instance, and then we have the computer code. We stick it, okay, and that's all. We can also, add a text. For example, watch this educational video, for example. Okay. So we watch this educational video, and then we just have the computer code there, right? Imagine, for example, that you want to, in this case, as you can see, we are in HTML. But if we want to do something, for example, to center this text, we have to go to compose, okay? We go to compose, and as you can see, we can modify this. We can get it in the middle, for instance, okay? And go down, okay? As you can see, the video is already inserted, okay? But if I want to see it as if it was somebody from the outside, I have to publish, okay? I click in publish, and I view the blog, okay? Let's see how it works. Oh, fine, okay? Watch this educational video, Spanish job shadowers, and as you can see, we have inserted a video in the blog, okay? Imagine, for example, that you think that it's too big, okay, too large, okay? Then you can modify the size of the video. How? Okay. Directly, for example, usually if we want to go to the back part, we go to design, no? But directly in the new posts, we can edit directly in this pencil thing, all right? This pencil sign. I click here, and if I go to HTML, we can see this information. But look here, okay? Look at here. Iframe. This is the video, no? And it says height 315 and width 560. This is something that we can touch, okay? We can modify this, okay? For example, imagine in height, well, height is fine, no? But maybe it's too wide, so I can modify this, okay? I can type here 450, for example, 450. And in this way, we have modified the size of the video, okay? So all this information of height and width is something that we can change, okay? I update this information, and we're going to see if the blog and if the post is okay, it's not as large as it was before. Okay, so you can modify also the size of your video, modifying this this information. Okay, 315, 450. We can even make it 50, for example, so that you can see very clearly how it changes. Okay, 50 and 50, for example. We're playing a little bit, no? So we come here, we view the vlog, and oh, so small. Okay, so just playing, but we can modify all this information too. All right, thank you. We go ahead with the video, with the next video.